The number of people who know about cryptocurrency is growing daily. They all know very well how to use it in their interests. You can simply keep cryptocurrency for yourself, saving it, waiting for a better price, and selling it profitably. But cryptocurrency value may go down. Who will give the time and expenses back to you? What will your income resource be when you are waiting for the exchange rate to improve? We've got a solution for you. Online cryptocurrency investments provide your daily income that doesn't depend on the current exchange rate. They protect your money steadily while they are working for you. The Australian investment company Attiora works with Binance, Poloniex, Kraken, Finex, using its own unique and exclusive cryptocurrency management strategy, keeping investors' money on the stock and currency markets. Attiora investments in venture funds strengthen the diversification of working capital. By investing in Attiora, you will protect your cryptocurrency and will receive from 1 up to 4% profit daily. Let your cryptocurrency work for you, improving your financial future. For active investors, Attiora has developed a progressive affiliate program with many amazing bonuses and rewards for the results achieved in the partnership development and the referral structure's growth. Create your own strong team of partners and let the Attiora referral program give you the best of it. Build a protected partnership together with Attiora, offering many benefits. Attiora stands for business stability, transactions clarity, and investments profitability based on the legality of the company. Attiora works so you can enjoy the successful life of an online investor who understands where and how their cryptocurrency works. You are always on a safe side with Attiora.
Your main choice will help you continue an exciting and profitable journey in the world of investment with Attiora. Open the door to an incredible world of wealth by creating your first investment in Attiora right now. From now on, it is only you to control the situation and make the major choices to become rich and successful.